Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So, friends, let's start the video. 2025 Meat Thermometer Digital. The 2025 Meat Thermometer Digital by FVFV is a noteworthy addition to any kitchen, designed meticulously for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. With dimensions of 6.5 into 2 into 1.77 inches and weighing just 4.64 ounces, it strikes an ideal balance between portability and functionality. Its compact size makes it easy to handle while ensuring it can be stored without effort in any kitchen drawer or tool organizer. Functionality is at the heart of the 2025 Meat Thermometer. It features rapid temperature readings, allowing users to gauge the doneness of meat within seconds, which is crucial for achieving perfect results every time. The thermometer is designed to provide precise and reliable readings, significantly reducing the risk of undercooked or overcooked meats, thereby enhancing both flavor and safety. Constructed with user-friendliness in mind, the thermometer's intuitive interface allows for effortless operation. It requires minimal setup, meaning you can focus more on your culinary endeavors than on navigating complicated menus or buttons. Whether you're cooking a thick steak or roasting a chicken, you can expect Aroma Houseware's Aroma 6-Cup Rice Cooker. The Aroma Houseware's 6-Cup Cooked 1.5 Q2 One-Touch Rice Cooker is your perfect kitchen companion for hassle-free cooking. It prepares up to 6 cups of fluffy, perfectly cooked rice with just a single button press. This compact cooker features a one-touch operation, making it simple and convenient to use. The non-stick inner pot ensures easy cleanup and even cooking every time. It automatically switches to keep warm mode after cooking, keeping your rice ready to serve. The lightweight design is perfect for small kitchens, dorms, or travel. Use it for rice, soups, stews, or oatmeal. Comes with a measuring cup and serving spatula, ideal for singles, couples, or small families. Upgrade your meals effortlessly with this reliable rice cooker. Black Decker 12-Cup Digital Coffee Maker. The Black Decker 12-Cup Digital Coffee Maker is a reliable and user-friendly machine designed to simplify your mornings. With a large 12-cup capacity, it's perfect for families or entertaining guests. The digital programmable timer allows you to set brewing up to 24 hours in advance, so fresh coffee is ready when you are. Its Sneak a Cup feature lets you pause brewing to pour a cup mid-cycle without spills. The easy-to-read digital display and intuitive controls make operation effortless. A non-stick warming plate keeps coffee hot for up to 2 hours after brewing. The removable filter basket makes cleanup quick and simple. The glass carafe is durable and designed for easy pouring. Compact and stylish, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen space. Enjoy fresh, flavorful coffee every day with the Black Decker 12-Cup Digital Coffee Maker. Chicken Shredder. The Chicken Shredder tool is a game-changer for quick and effortless meat preparation. Designed with a twist-action mechanism, it efficiently shreds chicken breasts, pulled pork, and other cooked meats in seconds. Its large, durable design accommodates generous portions, making it perfect for meal prepping or family dinners. The tool's sharp, interlocking teeth ensure consistent shredding without tearing or mashing. Made from high-quality, food-grade materials, it is safe, non-toxic, and easy to clean. The non-slip base keeps it steady during use, providing added safety and convenience. Its lightweight design makes it easy to handle and store in any kitchen. Perfect for tacos, sandwiches, salads, and more, it saves time and effort compared to manual shredding. Dishwasher safe, it's simple to maintain for everyday use. Upgrade your kitchen efficiency with the versatile and durable chicken shredder tool. AON Clip-On Strainer Silicone for all pots and pans. The AON Clip-On Silicone Strainer is a versatile kitchen gadget designed to make draining liquids from pots and pans effortless. Crafted from premium, heat-resistant silicone, it fits securely on a wide range of cookware, from small saucepans to large stock pots. The compact clip-on design saves space and eliminates the need for bulky colanders. Its strong clips provide a secure grip, ensuring no spills while straining pasta, vegetables, or grease from cooked food. The durable silicone material is BPA-free and safe for everyday use. The strainer's lightweight design allows for easy handling and storage. It's dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and convenient. Perfect for busy cooks, this strainer simplifies meal preparation while maintaining safety and ease of use. Say goodbye to awkward balancing acts with colanders and hello to effortless straining with the AON Clip-On Silicone Strainer. Amazon Basics Silicone Non-Stick Food-Safe Baking Mat. The Amazon Basics Silicone Non-Stick Baking Mat set is a must-have for any baking enthusiast. This pack of 4 mats is made from food-safe silicone, ensuring safe and reliable use with all your favorite recipes. The non-stick surface eliminates the need for cooking sprays or parchment paper, making baking healthier and more eco-friendly. Heat-resistant up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, these mats are perfect for cookies, pastries, roasted vegetables, and more. Designed to fit standard baking sheets, they simplify cleanup and prevent food from sticking. The durable silicone construction ensures even heat distribution for consistent results. Easy to clean, they're dishwasher safe and reusable for countless bakes. Lightweight and flexible, they store easily in small spaces. Ideal for both novice and experienced bakers, these mats offer convenience and versatility. Upgrade your baking essentials with the Amazon Basics Silicone Baking Mat Set. Garlic Press Rocker. The 2-pack Garlic Press Rocker set by Webu Mamal stands out as a practical addition to any kitchen, offering both functionality and ease of use. Constructed from durable silica and plastic materials, this set is designed to withstand regular kitchen tasks while maintaining a sleek black finish that complements various kitchen aesthetics. Weighing in at just 0.28 kilograms, approximately 9.9 ounces, this garlic press is lightweight yet sturdy, making it easy to handle even during extended periods of food preparation. Its dimensions, 5.35 into 4.84 into 2.83 inches, ensure it doesn't take up excessive space in your kitchen drawers or on countertops, showcasing its practicality. One of the notable features of this garlic press is its dishwasher-safe capability, which simplifies the cleaning process after use. This convenience is especially appreciated in busy households where time is often of the essence. With a solid customer rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars, based on 26 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its performance and reliability. Amazon Basics Glass Carafe Electric Hot Water Kettle. The Amazon Basics Glass Carafe Electric Hot Water Kettle combines style and functionality for your kitchen. With a 1.7-liter capacity, it quickly heats water for tea, coffee, or cooking needs. The durable borosilicate glass body offers a clear view of the boiling process, while the blue LED indicator adds a modern touch. Featuring a 1,500-watt power base, it ensures rapid boiling in minutes. The cordless design and 360-degree swivel base provide easy handling and pouring. Safety features include auto shutoff and boil-dry protection for peace of mind. A removable filter ensures clean water every time. Compact and lightweight, it fits seamlessly in any kitchen space. Ideal for home or office use. Make every cup effortless with this dependable hot water kettle. Grain dispenser. The grain dispenser with 360-degree rotation offers a convenient way to store and access your kitchen staples. Featuring 6 individual grids, it keeps grains, cereals, and snacks organized and fresh. The rotating design allows easy selection without hassle, saving time and effort. Made from durable, food-safe materials, it's perfect for maintaining a tidy pantry. Simplify meal prep and storage with this versatile and space-saving food dispenser. Innova Vacuum Sealer. The Innova Culinary Precision Port Handheld Vacuum Sealer is a compact and powerful tool for preserving freshness. Designed to work seamlessly with Innova Precision vacuum bags, it ensures an airtight seal to lock in flavor and prevent freezer burn. Its lightweight, cordless design makes it easy to handle and store, perfect for home kitchens or on-the-go use. The rechargeable battery provides long-lasting performance with a single charge capable of sealing multiple bags. The one-touch operation simplifies sealing, offering convenience and reliability for sous vide cooking or food storage. Compatible with most vacuum seal containers, it's versatile for various kitchen tasks. The sleek, modern design complements any kitchen decor. Quiet and efficient, it operates without disturbing your space. Easy to clean and maintain, it's built for everyday use. Elevate your food storage with the Innova Culinary Precision Port Handheld Vacuum Sealer.